Hello! Texture Channel loves to review and test not only good speakers, but we also love good headphones. Recently a courier brought the new Philips 5000 series gaming headphones. Thanks goes to Philips for that. I remember 10 years ago, I was introduced to my first Philips gaming headphones. Time has moved on and now, 10 years later, we meet again. This time it's the Philips TAG5106BK wireless headset. This is a brand new product. This year, it also received the Design Award 2022. The packaging is colorful, as gaming should be. As you can see, the headset has DTS surround sound technology, LED lighting effect, 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connectivity, and a detachable noise-cancelling microphone. Let's not drag this out, but let's take a look at what Philips headset actually looks like and what it offers, priced around $100 US. Included are detachable mic, a USB-C type charging cable about 70 cm long, a 3.5mm 4-pole external audio cable 1.5 meters long, and a 2.4 GHz USB dongle for a more stable connection and a lower latency as if using a Bluetooth connection. And there's the headphones themselves. Good looking, not the dreaded eye gouging bling bang. Leave a comment down below on a scale of 10. How do you like the look of these Philips gaming headphones? The back of the headset has a multi-function buttons to control them. Also on the left side of the headset are a USB charging port and a 3.5mm audio input for wired connection. The left and right side symbols are located inside the headphones. In case you didn't know, the mic is almost always on the left side. On the left side of the headphones is the volume control and the mic mute button. On the right side are the DTS effect, LED light effect, and power buttons, as well as button for wireless mode. The headphones are equipped with a tasteful 2-mode LED light effect, breathing mode with red, green and blue lights, as well as static mode with red, green or blue LED lights. It goes nicely with my monitor's LED lights. The headset can be used with almost any device: PC, Mac, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch and more. All you have to do is choose the type of connection, be it 3.5mm, Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz. Just connect the USB dongle to your computer and wait a little while until they connect to your computer. And you're ready to start playing games or listening to music. If you want to try DTS effects, you need to download the software from the Philips homepage. The link to it will be in the description. It's just as easy to use the headphones with Bluetooth devices like tablets, laptops, TVs or smartphones. Turn on the Bluetooth mode on the headphones and find the Philips headphones on the device you want to connect them to. It really was that easy. Best of all, you can also use the headset as a hands-free headset when making calls, or remove the microphone and use them to listen to music on your daily walks. And with the LED light on, you'll be seen better on the street and look good. A nice bonus is that when used with a 3.5mm cord, the microphone also works. That would be the main thing that these headphones provide. What then are my observations when using them? I now switch to the headset microphone so you can also hear what it sounds like. I'm recording this without changing any settings. I played a few hours of my favorite old school games with these Philips headphones. At first, I had to get used to closed type headphones, as I use open type every day. But after a couple of minutes, I was used to it. I like the sound of the music. It's a lush and unexpectedly good. Those who play shooters could definitely use some DTS effects. If anyone has tested them while playing shooters, please post it in the comments how you liked it. I've always been used to using the shortcut buttons on the keyboard for volume control and mic mute. Now I can do it with buttons on the headphones. I just didn't like that when pressing the mic mute button, there is no notification if it's on or off. It's a bit distracting because during the game, it's not clear if it's off. This is the sound of the microphone of this headset. A handy tool to talk to your teammates. Of course, it is not correct to compare it with a separate microphone which alone costs more than this headset with mic. That's probably it. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. If you're interested in the full and detailed unboxing video, click more from TechScrew. Good luck in your gaming matches!